This is the Ethereum one-day reading for June 8th, 2023. It's currently May 17th, 2023, 10:28 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file we're about to play for June 8th was created on May 6th, 2023 at 10:39 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have bullish price swings as the overall theme. So a lot of price swings going on throughout the day here. Behavior around the high side, there'll be a notable opportunity around the high here that will really stand out amongst the other days of the month of June. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a crest near the lowest low that will have a move higher through resistance. We'll stay above it briefly and then we'll break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter. Matter of fact, I think what it is that there's two lows in there. I think there's two lows, one on either side of this peak here. So I'm advised to trade around a period of bumping along resistance, and then it looks like it's pretty difficult to determine volume here. Overall, I think probably this is like kind of like some sort of rotational volume characteristic of rotation. The sneak preview or the main event for the following day, or one of the main events for the following day, has to do with the key resistance. But before we get into that, in the first 2 hours of trading out of a decline, so this rally ends on the 10th, between the 10 and 12 o'clock hours of the evening on the 7th. And there's a decline in, but that decline somewhere between midnight and 2 on the 8th turns into a move higher, taking us to a peak or crest for the day. We have some bearish price swings off of that peak or crest between 2 and 4. Bearish price swings and a sharp drop. More kind of like back and forth behavior within a channel there between 4 and 6 a.m. And it looks like a notable decline somewhere around the like 5 to 6 a.m. hour. Between 6 and 8 a.m. we have 3 crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level, confirming a bullish trend. Interesting. And then we have a prominent low or trough for the day. This is probably the first low for the day, and we rally out of that here, creating a trade opportunity. It's a little unclear, guys. There's a low here and there's a trade opportunity here. The trade opportunity, it could be at the low, but it's also the Princess of Wands. So in the midst of a rally, there's an opportunity to open up a short position. So there could be like this rally and an opportunity before a low, right? In which way you open up a short position and then close it in the low. Or we make a low and then there's a rally out of it. Well, there's going to be a rally out of the low either way, but that could be the other possible scenario where I think it's a rally and then a low, and then out of the low we have an unexpected move higher somewhere between 10 and noon time. That unexpected move higher, creating a high or a peak for the day. I'm advised not to chase that rally somewhere around 12:30 or noon, 12:30 noon. We have the end of a rally and what appears to be a pretty sharp drop. There's a sharp drop in the midst of some, okay, so between 2 and 4 p.m. there's a rally increasing with momentum moving forward in time, taking us into resistance somewhere between 4 and 6 p.m. But in the midst of that rally between 2 and 4 a.m., there is a sharp drop about 3 p.m. in there. All right, so trade opportunity at key resistance between 4 and 6 p.m. And then we decline from that key resistance with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down, taking us to meet a lot of price swings here, guys, between 6 and 8. A lot of price swings. Actually, a lot of price swings between 5 and 8 a.m. and then a lot of price swings between 6 and 8 p.m. But in the midst of that, there's a rally along a diagonal trend line. We break through horizontal resistance, meet another resistance. Then we pull back to somewhere between those two price levels. And then at the end of the day, last 4 hours, a really big move higher. First move higher between 8 and 10 p.m. when we establish support at a higher level. And then we have a fast sudden move higher after the establishment of that support, a fast sudden move higher continuing between 10 and 12 10 p.m. and 12 a.m. of the following morning. And look out for key resistance. When we get into the 9th, we're going to be looking for key resistance level where volume kind of flattens out around that resistance. That's Ethereum for the 8th of June, 2023. My friends, don't forget to follow the rule of karma. You do so here at our resources tab, where we ask you to donate 5% of the profits from the information on this channel forward to one of these charities. That it maintains abundance mentality. Your mentality is what manifests more of same. So maintain abundance mentality by following the rule of karma. Send 5% of the profits back forward to one of these charities, and then to keep the channel going, guys, 5% of the profits back to the channel here through Cashapp, PayPal, Venmo, or Wise, and then spend that money out of love. Follow those rules, and the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.